Hey my friends. Today I show you how to make a sick progressive house track.
Goodbye, my lover.
Guys, at first we need a concept for our whole song. So firstly I get an acapella. Of course you can get an acapella from a royalty-free vocal pack or use a vocal from Splice, but today we go the easy way and just get an acapella from YouTube. Today I am in a weird mood, so we took an acapella which fit us the least to progressive house. I take this.
Why you always in the mood?
Everybody knows how to get an acapella from YouTube, so we skip this part. So guys, firstly we drag the acapella into FL Studio, then we drag the BPM to 128 BPM. Now we double click on the acapella, click here, click on auto, right click on time, auto detect, and select 75 to 150 and FL Studio will automatically change the BPM to 128. So now we can actually start the song. First, I listen to the acapella and I drag in the first chord progression which comes to mind.
Why you always in the mood? Around like I'm brand new. Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play. Cool, baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the...
So I perfected the chords a bit, and I put heavy reverb on it to make it very wavy. So guys, our main chord progression is ready. To fill out the low parts of the mix I added a soft bass underneath the piano. So we have to search for the perfect sound. This is the one. After we have our main foundation ready, I added some samples into the project to fill it up a bit. For example, I took some rides, an exhaust sound, a cymbal transition, and an Atmos sound, a clap with reverb. And this is basically our whole intro of the song. After the intro I added a little break with a sub-drop sound which is the perfect transition for the pre-build-up. And right here starts the pre-build-up. It is basically the same as the intro, but here I added a riser and a synth sound for more tension. Right here I added the same exact break that is the transition to the build-up. Guys, the build-up need a lot more tension than the parts before. For example, I added 2 build-up samples and risers. Right here I added another melody for more energy. And in the build-up our main melody got introduced with beautiful pluck sounds. The pluck sound is a combination out of a few presets who are becoming one nice sound. Obviously after our build-up the drop drops right after it. Our beautiful pluck melody gets thicker with some nice progressive house style lead sounds layered. To make the drop extra full we added a fat kick and some drop claps. And for the main body of the drop of course we need thick chords like this. Individually the presets sound like this. To make the chords extra wide and soft I added some texture sounds from my Serum sound bank. By the way guys, if you are searching for an amazing progressive house style sample pack, I fully recommend to you my progressive house sample pack called Lion. It is loaded with 300 samples, 100 Serum presets, 100 Synth 1 presets, and 50 Vital presets. Hop on my website and get it. Before the drop hits I added a drum fill sample. And I added a filling pluck, which plays almost the whole song. You can't really hear it, but it adds some more atmosphere to the song. In the second part of the drop I added some cymbal loops to give it more energy and keep the attention of the listener. And guys, I think I showed you everything about the song. I added some heavy reverb to the acapella and I chopped it up in the build-up for more tension.
Why you always in the mood? Why you always in the mood?
Before listening to the full result, I have to tell you that you can get the full FLP for free to download with all presets and samples, because I love you like my own children. Get it and have fun. Now let's listen to the full track, which was made entirely with the Lion Pack. But to give you some real nostalgic progressive house vibes, we watch a video by Proximity and imagine our song gets played for millions of people.
Why you always in the mood? Around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view.
I can never get attached. When I start to feel I'm attached, somewhere I was in a feeling bad. Baby, I am not your dad. It's not all you want from me. I just want your company. Girl, it's obvious, elephant in the room. We're part of it, don't act so confused. You love starting it, now I'm in the mood. Now we arguing in my bedroom. We play games of love to avoid the depression. We've been here before and I won't be a victim.
Why you always in the mood? Around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? 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 Why you always in the mood?
Guys, thanks for watching. I love you.